how I was able to turn $20 and $18. I turned $20 into $6,000, and I turned $20 and I turned $18 into $30,000. This strategy works best for people that are dedicated in trading. It's not a magic trick. I'm about to show to you the trades, the two trades here now. After that, please like and subscribe to this channel. It helps a lot. And click the link in the description of this video to take you to my Telegram channel for you to be copying my trade, and easy as this. Now let's go to the video. Follow this video carefully to see how I flip this $20, this real $20 to $6,000. As easy as this. This strategy works best if you know what you are doing. We are not doing magic here or tricks here. This is a dedicated way that I learn my own trade. And if you want to learn any technical analysis of forex trading, you can hit the link in the comment section or in the description of this video. It will take you direct to me, and I will guide you through on how you can analyze a market, the markets, forex market, for free. You don't need to pay for anything, and easy as this. Now you can see I'm using 0.06 lots, and this market makes $6,000 from real $20 with few inches. You can see it. Now let me close this trade now. I'm about to close this trade. Close $6,000. Now see the second one. This one is $13,000. This one is $18,000. I use 0.07 lot size here. You can see it. As easy as this. If you don't know what you are doing, never you use this amount of lot size I'm using on my trades, because it's very risky. As a new beginner, it's very risky to trade with a big lot size. Now you can see how the trade is moving as easy as this. And remember, for those that are willing to learn, use the link in the comment section or in the description of this video. It will take you where you can learn technical analysis. And please subscribe and watch to the next